So I am so excited because I just got my first hate comments. Shayna, why would you be excited about that? Well, let me tell you. Because I literally spent months and months and months not doing this because I was worried about what people would say. And then now I just got literally like 4 hateful comments back to back. Boom, boom, boom. Whatever. And it just made me remember that, like, I really don't care what people say, and, I don't know. I think that because it was, like, it's the idea of, like, the whole world being able to see you that, like, it seems, like, scarier. But it's like, oh, wait, no, like, these people, they're literally, it's actually less scary because it's just like some random person. Like, I don't even know you, you don't know me. And additionally, over the past year, I would say, I have less and less thought that people, well, okay, let me say this. I've gradually changed my opinion as far as, like, hateful people and, like, hateful comments and trolls and, like, bullying or whatever goes. From, like, I guess I used to think, like, oh, you're a bad person, but I've more and more thought it's just weird. Like, I think it's really weird, and it's to the point, like, I almost, like, yeah, obviously, like, you're a bad person if you do that, obviously, um, but it's more so, I less think that it's bad, and I more think that it's just weird, and I don't know any other word. Like, that is the only way that I can think of to describe it, is like, you're just weird. To me, it is so weird. Like, for you to, for example, one person's like, 4 minutes of you talking, your voice sucks. Like, okay, so, like, again, I just think that you're weird. Because, like, you sat there for 4 minutes? I don't know, like, nobody told you to watch the video. It's just weird. Like, why? Like, I have never in my life, I swear, I've never been like, let me comment something hateful. Let me comment something I don't like about this. Like, why don't you just, like, click out of it? You know? And it's just like, it more so solidifies to me that people that think like that, act like that would ever do that. Also, it's like all anonymous accounts, right? Which is like, woo. Do you feel heard from, like, your anonymous account? Like, just weird. Just weird to me. Yeah. I can't think of anything else but weird. It's just weird. Like, you're a weirdo. It's like people that, like, follow a bunch of people that, like, they don't like, or, like, are friends with people on social media that they don't like. It's like, why would you do that? Like, I cannot imagine that. Like, if I don't like you, you're gone. Like, you're gone. I don't care. It's actually such a weird thought to me. Genuinely. Anyway, so, point being, if you want to make a YouTube and you like have reservations about it because of that, dude, just do it, because like those people suck, you know? Anyway, so that's number one to that. And then here's the second part of this. After receiving those comments, I removed all videos of my child, and my child will not be on this channel at all. This is not a family channel. It never was meant to be. I did let her be in a couple of videos because she wanted to, but after receiving those comments from those weirdos, that's absolutely not happening. Like, obviously I've heard of, you know, about family channels exploiting their kids and whatever, and I understand that, but I was just thinking, this is not a family channel. It's not the main point of my channel, and you know, I don't know, it just didn't feel exploitative to me, the videos that I had made with her or had let her make. But after reading those things, absolutely not. You can be hateful towards me, but you will not be hateful towards my child. So, which sucks because she's amazing. But, you know, I mean, it sucks for everybody else. Not for me, because I had no intention of exploiting her amazingness for money or views, but now she won't be on it at all. So, we're good. And yeah, thank you for the comments. Thank you for watching. I appreciate constructive criticism. I just think that people that do that in a hateful way, or like, you know, there's just a way. There's a difference between constructive criticism and then somebody who's like you do that, right? You just go around and you just comment little mean things on people's stuff. You're weird. If you do that, you're weird. You're a weirdo. You're a weird person. You're weird. And not in a good way either. In a really bad way. You're weird. So, I don't know. I'm really excited about it. Because I feel so much less, like if I did feel any reservation about any of this, I feel so much less reservation now. So thank y'all, weirdos. Thank you.